8230, and you can see, pause the screen here and see what all models it fits for. All right, we'll continue on. All right, so first things first, I went ahead and just messed with it for a second, but basically two Phillips head screws on this, holding it on to the distributor. Basically, before you pull your wires, I orientate the cap the same way. See how it's got that little, I assume it's like a little vent. But anyways, orientate it to how the screws will go on and where every wire was, you know, starting with the first one being cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way back to 6. I labeled where the wires went to, so when I go to install this one, I can just snap in my wires and be good. So basically, I already undid the wires, marked everything. Pull that little baby off there, and let's actually take a look at it if it can zoom in. You can definitely see there's a little bit of dirt, but there was a little bit of corrosion on these points here, which is what your rotor button's spinning to make the electrical contact. My truck was running like crap, and I was lazy. I had the part for like 4 years. I finally decided to put it on. Here's the old rotor button. You can see it's got this little tail on it, and it only fits one way. There's that open hole there, so it's just gonna drop down into place, so it can only go on one way. So new pretty one, all clean, yay. Same thing, a little bit of view for you, and see how it lines up right there, drops into place. That's it. Just doing this one-handed here. And also you can write words of encouragement like "More Power Baby," shout out Donut Media, and also the cap and rotor button come together. You don't have to kill it, just go nice and snug. Usually ideal to do wires with this. I did the wires a couple years ago. They ain't the prettiest, but so look, just nice and snug. I ain't killing it. Here you go. All right, so let's start chasing our wires down. 6 on the back. You hear that snap? Beautiful. 6, number 5. 3's closer. Go 3. Number 4. Number 5 comes across. I know it's gonna be ugly. I might sit here and clean them up after the fact. 4 to 4. See how much easier it is once you label it. Number 1. Snap in, boom, bada boom. And number 2 over here. Love that sound. That's a good feel. I don't have to fuck with the wires, that's cool. And then my coil pack, snap. There you go. Let's fire the old girl up. See how it sounds. Sell the old ones. All I need was a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's your Excel part number. Don't judge me. My baby. I love this damn truck. 420,000, because these Fords don't roll over 300,000. They'll go up to 399. Been there once, so I'm at 420,000 in my daily. Probably need to clean it. Whatever. All right, later guys.